G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm using our new air fryer oven and making some fish and chips. So we have the basket in there with the chips. As you can see, it's turning around. Sorry, turn the light back on. There you go. So the chips are going round and round, and it's on 200. As you can see there, 200. And see how many minutes left. 6 minutes to go out of 15, and I might have to put them in a bit more. And there you go, there's our chips, sorry, our fish. So I haven't cooked them yet, they've just been taken out of the freezer. So once the chips are done, I'll use the normal tray, this tray here, and we'll do the fish. So we'll have some fish and chips. Mum's out shopping, so when she comes back, I'll have lunch ready. Cheers! Welcome back everyone. I've just taken the chips, or the fries, out of the air fryer oven. You can see there, they're golden brown, but I can't touch the basket just yet because it's really hot. And I'm just about to put the fish onto the, hold on. Onto the tray here so we can cook the fish. I think Mum wants to do all four, I don't know. All six, I should say. I don't think we're going to fit all six in there. Maybe 5. Maybe we'll just leave. Do 4, I think, for now, and then put the other 2 away in the freezer. We'll see what happens. But anyway, put them in there. And the light turns off. Okay. So we got the chips, we got the fish. Okay, turn it on. Menu. Okay, now we want fish, which is the third one along. Okay, 15 minutes. Temperature 165. And we'll start. It's already preset. 15 minutes. There you go. So that's the fish. See how we go. I'll put the other 2, there's 6 pieces, so you can see there's 2 more pieces there, so we can probably cook them another time, I guess. 4 pieces with our chips. Anyway, I'll sort all this stuff out. Thanks for watching.